exclusive Raj Sevas of Lord Navneet Priya and Lord Govardhanath Ji from the Pushti Marg Goswamis. Later, the two brothers parted.
Parted?
And when they parted, the elder brother Raja Bhagwan Das gave a unique example of first option to the younger brother in the share, and the partition was kept so discreet that even their wives did not know about it. It was a confidential and graceful event. Raja Bhagwan Das had 4 sons: Anand Das, Parmanand Das, Gopal Das and Mukund Das. Anand Das was a well-recognized confidant of the Nizam Mir Mehboob Ali Khan and had an excellent rapport and relation in the Darbar and Treasury. Parmanand Das was an administrator, while Gopal Das was known for his charity, and Mukund Das was taking care of all real estate matters of the family. After the death of Anand Das and Mir Mehboob Ali Khan, the relations of the new Nizam was on a different wavelength. The families shifted from the dense Karwan to a spacious garden colony of residency in a 16-acre garden which has the present family members staying. Raja Ravi Verma, a renowned artist, made portraits of Mir Mehboob Ali Khan and Raja Anand Das. It is also believed that he stayed with the family for 2 months. Seth Parmanand Das was the first president of the then Chamber of Commerce for more than 12 years. Later, Seth Mukund Das was made the president, which later became FAPSE. The families supported the Allied forces in the Second World War. The family had great vision. They rehabilitated their community members in their services and had continuous supply of jewelry in the Khazana. Mukund Das had 3 daughters out of his first marriage. After his first wife passed away, he married Jadao, a girl from poor but graceful family from Nandurbar. In thanksgiving, he constructed a dharamshala in respect of his wife. They had 1 daughter, Champa, and 4 sons, Dwarka Das, Balkishan Das, Damodar Das and Govind Das. All vibrant, noble, ethical, with strong conviction and able support of Jadao Bai, their mother. She was widowed at a very early age of 19 years. She transformed to become a famous and strong personality and courage of a powerful man. She made a mark for herself in the family by the ideal upbringing of 5 children. After police action in 1949, most of the assets and powers gone, it was a testing time for the unity of the brothers, who overcame all the problems with courage and determination. This garden area was visited by many Vaishnava Gujarati community and also was used by late Dwarka Das. Late Govind Das also nourished this huge garden and me too, with grape plantations and a gem cutting factory. The government of Andhra Pradesh awarded me with Heritage Award in the year 1997. The family has the grace of playing host to many famous personalities such as Srila Prabhupada Bhaktivedanta Swami, Morarji Desai, Indira Gandhi, Kandubhai Desai, Kumudben Joshi, Rajiv Gandhi and many other great souls. Govind Das, an enterprising, self-taught gemologist, later made history in South by studying gems scientifically. A dedicated, hard-working jeweler with well-defined objectives and goals.
If at all you want to enjoy the real value of the jewelry, so a man or a lady has to be decorated like that, and according to the graha, again let me come down, according to the graha, if a lady is passing through Buddha graha, she should put on green emerald, Shukra, diamond, ruby, manik, like Shani. Likewise, if suppose you presume certain things, Nowadays it is not possible to have all these things, but if you just presume it, have an idea. If your whole body is being covered with that type of gemstones, and with that type of you are just putting it on, how will you behave? With a costume, you are already a changed man, and you are protected with that.
He had 3 daughters, Renuka, Purnima, Geeta, and a son, Satish Kumar, who became one of the early gemologists in India. He worked for the Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh and had extensive knowledge in gemstone mining. He established Gem Testing Lab and Gemological Institute, training more than 3,000 students, and of course their own retail outlet. Pallavi, Satish's wife, gave birth to 2 lovely daughters, Priyanka and Radhika, both business management graduates, gemologists and jewelry designers. Priyanka, a national award winner in jewelry designing, is also a jewelry valuer to the Government of India. She is a creative person with strong objectives. I, Bhagwan Das Bagh, have been witness to the saga of generations of this great family and their members. They have nourished me and saved me from decay, just like Lord Krishna has protected the family. They have been protecting me too. I shall always pray for the success and well-being of all the members of the family, and also wish Priyanka and Shashank all the very best as they enter into a new chapter of their lives, and pray to Srinathji for their happiness and prosperity.